So today we're making a recipe I made up while I was at work today. I do this sometimes. I got my oven preheating to 425. First thing I'm going to do is take some garlic cloves. I want to make them into a paste. Oh my god, those are tiny garlic cloves. I only wanted 2, but these are so small I think I'm going to go ahead and use them all. This one's a decent size.
For you? What's in that glass right now? For you? Is as good as it's ever going to be. No wonder you understand.
See if I can get a decent size of this. Nope. That's okay.
I'm gonna pause real quick so I can mute, or I want to mute the TV. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I didn't want to over voicing Stormy.
I don't even know what was on.
I was listening to Commander off and on.
Commander?
I don't know what it was. I've been so dang busy today.
She's packing to leave me, you guys.
Yeah, I've been packing, and then I made 2 gallons of goat cheese. I've been a busy girl today, and I've been emotional today. So.
If she starts crying, I'm going to stab her.
The brutality.
So, like I said, we're going to turn these garlic cloves. Got my finger. Didn't get it very bad. It didn't even bleed. Good. Okay.
She does cut herself.
Not very often, but I do. I jammed that finger today, and I'm having trouble bending it.
Ouch.
It's not wanting to bend.
That's okay. I hit my arthritis knuckle again today.
Ow.
Yeah, it's hurting.
So, we're going to mince it up as fine as we can. I thought I got all that paper off there. Didn't. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to pull it all into a little pile. Michelle, come over a little closer. They can see what I'm doing. We're going to squish it this way.
Yeah, my mincer broke, and she goes, "Do it with a knife." I'm like, I like my mincer.
A little pinch of salt in it, because that's going to help us break it down. But I don't want this minced. I want this to be paste.
Oh, cool.
The salt helps to kind of squish it all, scrub it down.
Okay.
Need a little more salt. Maybe a tiny bit more.
You got those bowls of their salt?
Oh, I forgot you have,
Yeah,
you have 2 bowls of salt now?
Yeah, we gotta get them used.
Why you got 2 bowls of salt going?
Well, I used one for my goat cheese, and I don't know why I didn't use what was up in that one. Because I've been rushing around like a mad woman today.
Isn't that lovely?
All minced up. Cool.
No, that's not minced. That's paste.
Oh, paste.
We're going to take half a cup of Dijon mustard. Yeah, I told y'all, I don't measure. I came up with measurements for y'all.
Once again, you all can thank me for this.
Michelle's always complaining I don't measure. She's got to guess how much to put. So I hope I mixed up enough, or mentally measured enough.
And when she's giving me ingredients, she doesn't do it slowly. She's like, this. I'm like, slow down. I can't write that fast.
This is my avocado that I put in the the I had to work out
Flour.
the other day. It's gonna go bad if I don't use it up. So we're gonna use it. That's why I came up with a new recipe today. Decided I wanted to do something different and use up something like needed to use up because it was gonna go bad if I didn't. Right now it's kind of looking like some really gross baby food, ain't it?
You show me to me. Little salt, little peppers, and tomatoes.
We just set that there. Mix this together. Looks like baby food. Wouldn't be feeding that to no babies though, y'all. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of my salsa verde, but I don't want it to add too much of the liquid, so I'm gonna kind of squeeze the liquid out. Ooh, and I'm gonna make a mess with it too. See, this is why I use my other spoons, Michelle. I can't squeeze properly with that shit.
So if they don't have your salsa latte, what do they use?
Hey, they got my recipe for salsa verde.
Oh, there you go. Heh.
Make some.
Make some of that
Make
goody
some
yummy
of that
stuff.
good shit. All right. Oh, I was wrong. I do have my chives. I do a couple of tablespoons of chives. These are from my garden. I was very disappointed to see grasshoppers over there. I might have to let some chickens out over by my greenhouse.
They would have a blast in the backyard.
Yeah, but I'd have to make sure Dalton remembered to not let any dogs out while they were there. Especially Tsiki and Samantha. Oh, almost lost a chive. Get over there, chive. Get over there. All right. We're going to put, I didn't realize I had that lid off. A quarter teaspoon of cayenne. I'm just going to leave it off so I don't forget, because we're going to be using that again in just a minute. We're going to use half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked, you can use regular. But my brain at work today said smoked would go really well with that. I already put me a pinch of salt when I was doing my garlic. So now I'm going to put a pinch of pepper. That all mixed up yummy. Now it's really looking like some gross baby food.
Wah. I'll eat it.
You know what? I won't give you a spoonful of this and watch you go.
Right.
Some of that garlic's still good.
I mean, just the paste itself looks attracting, so.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you guys to see what she made. Pull that back down. This is how talented she is. Over her microwave. She made this. And it is space saving, and it keeps her onions and her garlic. Great idea.
I did this too.
Yeah.
This was just a blank space behind a facing. I took the facing off and created storage spice rack. And I did this for my tea stuff.
There's so much space you can use in homes that you buy.
So now we're going to go to dry ingredients. I have about a cup of panko and about a quarter cup of parm. My nose itches.
Cayenne.
No, I was itching before that.
Oh.
It's allergies. I'm going to put another quarter teaspoon of cayenne.
Now you made my eyebrow itch.
Another half a teaspoon of the smoked paprika. Mix that up. I'm going to put a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper. So sometimes I use regular paprika, sometimes I use smoked. I have a tendency, if it's going to be any meat dish, I use the smoked. Just because I love the way it tastes. Alright. Let me move some stuff out of my way here. Yeah, let me put that on the right way before I go trying to sprinkle some kind
I hate it when that happens.
So, I like to use parchment paper on my sheet pans or my lovely little things. If you don't have these, grease your sheet pan really well or that parm's going to make it stick to your pan.
Do they sell those at Walmart?
I don't know if they do or not. I've never seen them there. They sell some little flimsy ones, but I don't know what kind of quality they are.
We'll just stick with parchment paper, just something else to wash. I stick them in the dishwasher to dry because there isn't nowhere else to stick them.
This is chicken thighs, skinless, still bone in. I'm going to get a nice good layer of our avocado mix.
Mmm.
And then dip that in our panko. I'm telling y'all, I guessed at this quantity. I hope it's enough for how many thighs I thawed. If not, I guess I'll just throw some more together when we're on a break. Ooh, this does look like more thighs than I thought it was. Some of these chickens were kind of small. So I like breaded things, I like fried things, but I also have a cholesterol issue. Probably because I like fried breaded things. Might be a good reason. Don't tell my doctor. Dr. McDonald, if you're on this site, don't you say nothing at my next appointment.
And you get on the me for stuff?
You know what? I have dropped my cholesterol quite a bit.
Good girl.
That one is a lot bigger than those others were.
That looks like a Dalton piece.
Yeah, definitely. Let's see here. I might have just enough. I thought there was only 4 thighs in that. But since some of them were small and some
Yeah, because I thought we put
big,
4 piece in
I
there.
think that one might have been that one.
The last bag,
Yeah.
maybe.
Where I had some small thighs and I was like, you know what, that's going to need more than just 4 in that one.
Well, the little garbage disposal, he'll eat it.
Yeah. Anything's left, I'll just make chicken salad out of it. It's
You're right.
one of my favorite leftover things.
Oh, my Lord, that one is so good.
Oh, you know what's on sale today?
What?
And I started to get it so I can make something with it. Grapes.
Oh.
Lowe's. For only 99 cents a bag.
Yeah, your mom had a sack of grapes, but I don't know if she got them there or Walmart.
No, she probably got them at Walmart since she works there.
Yeah, I went and seen her today. She was snacking on some grapes.
My nose itches so bad. Oh my gosh. Ah!
Sorry, peeps. My back is hurting today, so I'm not standing steady.
All right. Get that in the oven. Scrub up some taters, so I'm going to have these skin on. Get my nasty chicken stuff out of the way there. Watch, Michelle going to come over and taste that stuff, even though I was dipping raw chicken in it.
No, I will not. I got ready to you. I remember the raw chicken. Yeah. That would delay my trip back to Oklahoma. See? She's trying to get me sick so I don't have to go home.
Oh, yeah, that's the idea. I should scrub that in.
But trust me, I don't want to. And she found me like maybe a rent home in case I decide to just come back and live here in New Mexico. Hey.
Dude, it has a barn, it has a gazebo, it's got land, it's got a river.
I'm like, oh my God, this is everything I've been looking for to buy. Because I'm trying to buy land in Oklahoma.
I'm going to cut these potatoes, but not all the way. Whoop.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that one went all the way.
She said try.
I would have used one of my gadgets, but then, you know, somebody would holler at me about my gadgets that I have. Now, I usually use...
You have a gadget for this? If you have a gadget, you have to show us.
Okay. I haven't used it in a while. I don't know if I still can or not.
Oh, okay. Well, if it's going to be a problem, no problem. We'll do it on another one.
I'll try it.
Okay.
I gotta figure out which drawer to put it in. Because that's how long it's been since I used it. I have so many gadgets, you don't even comprehend.
Is it that big thing?
Nope.
Oh.
There it is.
What the holy hay? Oh. That looks fun, actually. Okay, that's on my buy list. Awesome. I need one. You should have done that to all of them.
Well, this is the reason I didn't. Because
Oh, because
I
it's...
very rarely use it.
Oh, I see what it's doing. Okay.
I'll have to practice with it. And then I'll show you all the best way to use it. But I haven't used it in, I don't know, I think I bought it 2 years ago, 3 years ago, something like that. That was the last time I used it. So, that's why I do this.
But for people like me, that might be better on our fingers with the knife.
What's got a hold of me? Oh. Somebody tore a big piece and then pushed it back out.
You did? You did?
I did.
Yeah, you was going to use it for something and you changed your mind, so you put it back.
I don't remember. All right. We put our potatoes down in there. Cut side up. Side on that one up there. And put some olive oil. I like olive oil, guys. I really do. And I use a lot of it on this. Okay, and I got a whole bunch on the bottom. Toss these others right down there. Alright. Salt. Between the
I'm going to take that
layers.
away from you if you don't start using the other salt.
Better.
Yep.
I have a couple of slices on that one. I didn't quite go far enough, so I just kind of pull them apart a little bit on those.
It's alright. It's all edible.
Yep. I love salt on potatoes. I very rarely can get enough.
Does that have something to do with cholesterol maybe a little bit?
What?
Salt?
I love it salt. No, that probably has to do with the more dehydrated I am, the more salt I want.
Like yesterday?
Oh, I'm still dehydrated today. Yeah, don't be going out at that hide from the sun time of day in New Mexico. Oops, I broke it. Even lower. Rinse the salt off my hands there. Alright. Look, Michelle, I'm putting the lid on it. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Just across
Salt the crap out of it, but just put a little bit of pepper.
Well, yeah. It's just a little bit. That's just a little bit of pepper. Just saying. I should have put some of that right there.
Dobby. No, is that tartar? I didn't use tartar.
No. That's garlic powder. Just sprinkle it on top. And onion powder. Pop that in the oven right beside the chicken. And we'll be back in a little while when it's about done.
Alright, later guys.
So, we're cooking our chicken till it's 165 internal temp. When you measure it, measure from the side. Do not let the temp probe touch the bone. This one's more than. So we're good to go on that. We're going to pour our potatoes. I tossed some frozen zucchini with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all I put on it. I'm going to cook those till they're just a little brownish.
Yummy. That's good.
Get the small one, a big one.
Does that not look good, folks?
Looking better if it had a green on it from my vegetable, but yeah. Do you want a knife, Michelle?
Well, we'll see if it'll cut with the fork.
Okay. Remember, I said I just made this recipe up today while I was at work, so.
Water.
Michelle hurt her elbow or something today.
My arm. Didn't help. I carried like 6 bricks to, yeah, well, 6 bricks to the house with my bad arm.
She carried bricks to put on top of her cheese because she made several different flavors of cheese and they weren't all the same size.
They weren't. No, that sauce looked good, so this has to be yummy. Got really good flavor.
Can
Did it again.
Can you taste the avocado?
Not at all.
It's just a fat
The
replacer.
cayenne's taking the
It's
taste
a
over.
it's a fat replacer. I used to make something similar to that, but I used butter instead of.
Yeah, the cayenne's taking that over.
Mm-hmm. I love cayenne, by the way, guys.
Mm. Good taste. She done it again.
She said, I'm going to have to get all those recipes. I said, they're all on video. You can pause and write it down.
Oh, yeah. You know, one of those blonde moments that I don't have blonde.
She has more brunette moments of lucidity than blonde moments. It's more like blonde life with brunette moments of lucidity, isn't it? Kind of like me. That's probably why we get along.
Right?
I'm going to miss her when she's gone.
Me too.
Don't you cry. I still got a knife somewhere.
No, you don't.
See y'all later.
Bye.